It's time for another stitch fix. I was so excited after my last fix that I just rushed and got another fix because I could not wait to see what Tammy picked out for me. So I'm really excited to open this up with you guys. So let's get started. I feel like if you're tuning in, you probably already know what Stitch Fix is, so I'm gonna go ahead and bypass what I usually tell you, but I do have a referral code link in the description box for you guys. If you are new to Stitch Fix and you wanna give it a try, then you can get $25 off of your first box, and then it also gives me $25 off my box as well, so we're helping each other out. So here is how it's packaged. The box was a little bit damaged, but I'm hoping everything is in it. So you do have your package that's pre-labeled to send anything back that you don't want. And then you have your note from your stylist, and I do have Tammy again. I'm really excited about that. Looks like they're offering some factor coupons in this as well. And it looks like I have some jewelry and a pair of shoes in here. It has been a while since I've gotten some shoes from Stitch Fix, so let me get the bundle out. So here is the bundle. Looks like something that's faux fur. You can kind of see it looks like it's brown and cream. And then we have a pair of shoes as well, and then we have the jewelry. So I'm thinking I may have like a complete outfit. So here is the jewelry. It's Ralph Lauren jewelry, sculpted hoop earrings in silver. So here are those. I love a great hoop. And then let's go ahead and open up the shoes next. These are Dolce Vita booty in toe, size 10. Oh, these are cute. I think I have these on my saved. I like these. So they have that suede feel and a really nice heel, and I love that they zip. They have that sock-like material, so I love the color of these. More of a pointed toe, so we'll see how those fit with my wide foot. And then here's the bundle. So I'm guessing I just got 5 items at this time. I have been getting 8, so I'm thinking we're down to 5 again. Okay, so this looks like a silk or a satin blouse from Montgomery Post. The Kristen Day to Dusk satin shirt in brown size medium. I love this. Feels really good. And then these look like a denim coated. I love denim coated. Again, from Montgomery Post, the Natalia high-rise coated wide leg 29-inch jean in espresso size 8. So nice wide leg. Love the denim coating. And then this is so fun. So I have been asking my previous stylist for some like out-of-the-box things, something very unique, and I think this would definitely pass for unique. So this is from Bernardo, which I love Bernardo. I usually get their puffer coats. I've never had a faux fur coat. This is the Ziggi faux fur jacket, beige size medium. So this looks like a really cute look with all the brown and the cream. And so we're just gonna put this whole look together and just see how it looks. Here is that satin top, so nice. Now the sleeves are a little bit long, but it does have this like cuff detail, so I can cuff this up. And I think it looks a little bit better that way. And I did just front tuck this. This is the length of it. And it's very fitted, but I did notice that usually with button-ups, I do have to size it to large so that I'll have room right here where it doesn't gap. I don't see that this is doing this, but the arms right across the shoulder right here is a little bit tight. So I might have to see about exchanging this for a large because I love this. This color is really gorgeous, and I just love this satin look. I like this whole outfit together. So these are the denim coated jeans in this brown color, the espresso color, and I love this monochromatic look. These boots, oh gosh, I love these boots, you guys. They feel so good. So I have a little bit of a thicker leg, so a lot of times boots that come up on my leg, like around the calf area, aren't real comfortable, but this has that sock-like material, so it's very stretchy, and so I was able to put them on very good. And with pointed toe, a lot of times because of my wide foot, they don't really work that well, but these feel so good. I love these boots. Definitely keeping these boots for sure, and I'm gonna see if I can exchange this for a large, because I think it'll be a little bit of a better fit to be a little bit bigger. I know that it's not gapping, but it's that arm. It's not very comfortable in the arm when I move around, but I love these. I love the great denim coated. Then I was looking and I was like, do they make my butt look weird? I'm not really sure, but I love this whole outfit and the concept of this outfit. So I also have that faux fur jacket that I'm gonna put over top of this as well and let you see it. And then I have those earrings. So I'm not gonna quite put the earrings in just because I don't wanna do that if I'm going to return them, but I wanna kind of look, see the pricing and everything, and see if like I'm gonna keep all the items. Then I'll definitely keep those earrings, and then I'll let you see them, but I'll show you the close-up of the earrings. So here's the earrings. They're just a really nice hoop earring. One of the smaller hoops, like more of a huggy style, and they just look really nice. And I love silver, I love gold, I love silver, I like both. So I'll definitely keep these if I'm gonna be keeping everything but I just didn't want to put them in until I knew for sure. Okay, so I put this jacket on. Yes, please. This outfit is so fun. I love this outfit. So it has been a long time since I've gotten like a complete head to toe look in a fix, and I'm loving this. This is so soft. I love Bernardo. Gosh, this is just a wow factor that I don't have. I've been asking for a wow factor and I have yet to get it, and this is definitely the wow factor. I feel so fabulous in this. It's so good, you guys. It is so fun. So I love the side pockets, the collar. I mean, this is just so soft. I love it. I love this whole entire look. She did so good. I'm so impressed by this. It took me a minute to figure out how these buttons went. They're kind of like a little hook thing. And then you put them on this little circle and then you squeeze them together. So it took me a minute because it was hooked to begin with to figure out how these even came unhooked, but I figured it out. This is so fun. I love this cream with this brown, this whole monochromatic look, and then this fun factor. This is something I don't have in my wardrobe, and I love denim coated, but I'm not sure if these are fitting me so good, but let's check out the price. This is only the second fix from Tammy, and I'm just loving Tammy. I hope she stays with me for a while. Okay, so the earrings are from Ralph Lauren, and they are $32. This faux fur jacket's from Bernardo, and it's $130, which is kind of to be expected from Bernardo. Then the satin top is from Montgomery Post, $49. Not bad at all for this satin top. And then these high-rise coated denim in the espresso are from Montgomery Post as well, and they are $88. I did just pick up a Liverpool pair of black denim coated jeans, and I really loved those, and I'm loving this brown color. And let's see. Then these booties are from Dolce Vita, and they're $75. So the entire outfit, earrings, jacket, shirt, pants, shoes, entire outfit, $374. If I bought everything and got the 25% off discount, it would take $93.50 off, making the total $280, then the $20 for my styling fee, $260.50 before tax. I'm loving this. What do you think, you guys? This is so fun. I can't quit feeling of it. It feels so good. And I just think this is a fun, maybe a date night outfit or something like that. This is just so fun, you guys. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about Tammy. This is the second fix that she has styled for me, and I'm blown away. I think she has done such a great job. I mean, I was excited for this one because my last one, I just loved my last one so much, and I'm really loving this one. I want to do like a back-to-back again. So I'm loving this whole outfit, you guys. What do you think? I love to hear your comments about what you think, and I love to see if it compares to what I'm liking, but I'm loving Tammy. I'm so glad she's my stylist now. I hope she stays with me for a while. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, and then also I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. It says that only 19% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed, so please consider hitting that subscribe button and helping my channel grow. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.